How's everyone doing? This is your boy Grant here, and I got another unboxing for you guys. Today, I will be unboxing the Sony MDR-ZX110s. So, let's get into it. Now, these are another pair of Sony's budget earphones, headphones, whatever you want to call them. Kind of like the last ones I unboxed, which was a budget set of budget earbuds. But these are actual over-the-ear headphones. So let's get them out of the packaging. Don't need that. There you go. Out of the box. All right. And for y'all that's thinking, oh, he's just throwing stuff in the floor, no. I actually, after my videos, clean up my mess. So, yeah. So, here they are. The MDR-ZX110s. So, they actually look like these headphones that my brother got. To tell you the truth, just with wires. Hold on, I'm about to go get them real quick. So I couldn't find them, but these are basically what they look like. My brother hides his stuff all the time, so yeah, I couldn't find them. So yeah, that's basically what they look like, just like these, but wireless. So yeah, but it feels well, actually no, the ear cuffs don't feel like the ones he got. The ear cuffs he got feel a lot softer and thicker. And then there's actually cushion on the headband on his. Those are the only differences. Other than that, they look just alike. And let me see. But they actually don't feel that bad on my head. And it feels like it's canceling out sound a little bit. Even though they're not noise canceling headphones. Only thing is, my afro is in the way. But yeah, so this has been another unboxing, and with that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on my to my channel. because very soon, if I get enough subscribers, I will have a giveaway. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and tell your friends. That way, I'll do the giveaway. So yeah, peace.